Yo, Marcus, I swear, no, the only Debbie me know in a real life, I'm a cousin from Red Pond. I'm still there, Florida. At the airport. No more, you call her and tell her, say, no, brother, listen. I told her, simple running a joke, said Debbie is coming after me in Florida and I am running away from Debbie. She thinks there's a person me I talk about and not knowing that it's the hurricane. Of course, I'm coming for the Providence 48 film project. I should be awarded. That taking place on the 8th. Yes. Now, she don't want to go at the event, yo. Just call her for me now because you know you're the only Jamaican she will listen to different from my kids. Yeah. Make sure know say it was that simple joke. Debbie is the hurricane that them say come in. And I'm saying I am running away from Debbie. She thought it was someone else I'm here with. Just fix up that for me, my brother, cause I depend on you, alright? I'm about to board the flight now because them change my gate and all of them something there, so I walk and look for all of that. Yes, okay, I find where I'm going. Link her for me right now. And I should be in Providence for the 8th of August for the 48-hour film project awards. Yes. Big up yourself.